night and oceans, weightless with you. I seem to be speeding in and out of time. The waves are in motion, rolling into my life. Meet me at the place where we can be our own creators. Write a new chapter, doesn't need to be clear. Releasing our minds from the cynical invader. Which way do I ride? With all rules pulled aside, I don't wanna hide. Why does this only last for so long? Could I be wrong? Should I be asking myself while I'm high? Why does this only last for so long? Could I be wrong? Should I be asking myself while I'm high? Been dreaming for a minute, just a minute or two, with total devotion, weightless with you. We seem to be spinning in and out of time. We are forming an ocean, fading over our lives. Meet me at the place where we can be our own creator. Why does this only last for so long? Write a new chapter, doesn't need to be clear. Should I be asking myself why I'm releasing our minds from the cynic and the hater? Why does this only last for so long? Could I be wrong? Should I be asking myself while I'm high? Could I be wrong? Should I be asking myself while I'm high? Could I be wrong? Should I be asking myself while I'm high? Why does this only last for so long? Could I be wrong? Should I be asking myself while I'm high? Why does this only last for so long? Could I be wrong? Should I be asking myself while